Today we're building a transition active link underline effect using framermotion and tailwindcss. We'll start by taking a look at the components. In the header.tsx, we'll map through the routes array, populating the link item component to display each route. The link item component will handle the styling and animation effect to enhance the user experience. We'll pass a href, label, and isActive prop to the component so our code is modular and easy to read. In reviewing the component, we'll start by marking the file as useClient since this will have client-side activity. We'll destructure and import motion from framermotion, so be sure to install the dependency by using npm framer-motion. This is going to give us access to the framer animation library. We're using TypeScript, so we have to define the types of our interface props. Now let's break down how to animate our navigation links using framermotion. There are two key animations happening here, one for the entire link and one for the underline transition. First, we'll wrap each navigation link inside of motion.div. This is going to give a fade-in effect when the navigation bar loads. Now let's take a look at how it works. When the page first loads, each link is going to start invisibly and slightly above its position on the y-axis. It then will give a fade in and slide down effect, which can be adjusted based on your personal preference. Next, we'll animate the underline effect using a separate motion.div. Instead of just showing and hiding it, we're going to animate the width smoothly when we switch links. So here's a breakdown of what's happening. If the link is active, the underline is going to expand from 0 to 100% width. When switching pages, the layout ID, we have it set to underline. This is going to ensure the transition is smooth instead of it just totally restarting. When that particular link becomes inactive, the underline is going to shrink back to 0. Thanks to framermotion, we have a smooth fade in and out effect for our links, and also a nice underline transition when navigating between pages.